Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to embed Pinterest feed on a Squarespace website. Step 1, create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Then click Create New Widget. Choose Pinterest feed from the widget options. Step 2, customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3, add it to Squarespace. Now log into your Squarespace account, go to the website section, open the page where you want the feed to appear, and click Edit. Then choose a section or create a new one in the area where you want to place the widget. Choose Add Block, then select Code. Paste the installation code from Mirror app into the code block. Then adjust the widget size and position the way you want. Save your changes. Your Pinterest feed should now appear on that page. Congratulations! If you want to show the widget across your entire Squarespace website, open Pages, go to Custom Code, choose Code Injection, and paste the same code into the footer field. Done! The widget will now appear in the footer across all pages of your website. Please note that some custom code options in Squarespace may depend on your current plan. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.